Hi friends, welcome back to this videos. In this videos, we are going to share our new upcoming smartphones of the brand Nokia. Every year, the Nokia company provides many big flagship mobiles, middle class phones, and low budget, high performing phones. So, customers are waiting for the new smartphone of the Nokia brand. That's why we are talking about new upcoming smartphone of the Nokia brand, which is called Nokia Arson 2024. We are going to share Nokia upcoming smartphone Arson 2024 price, space, release date. We are trying to describe serially the Nokia 2024 release date, full specifications and price. So that with us and continue watching these videos. First of all, we are talking about the displays. The Nokia upcoming smartphone Arson 2024 comes with a 6.9 inches Super AMOLED full touchscreen display, which is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. Good news for the Nokia Arson 2024 mobile lovers. This mobile used display resolutions of 1440 multiplied by 3200 pixels. In the display section, this mobile phone also used always on display, which is very helpful for an active users. After briefly describing the display, now we are going to share another very important part of this special phone, whose name is the camera. On the camera section, Nokia added a wide 144 megapixel primary lens, 32 megapixels ultra wide lens, plus 16 megapixels wide sensors, plus 5 megapixels depth sensor as the back camera. Now we have to discuss the very important of the front selfie cameras. Front selfie cameras 64 megapixels front cameras. Regular camera features like Z's, optic, LED flash, Chroma and HDR. Now you can easily pick up pictures, make a video by using front or selfie cameras. Now we are going to describe the very important part of the battery. Battery is a very important part when customers want to buy a mobile phones. So the Nokia Arson 2024 used a 6900 mAh lithium type non-removable battery for its long time service. After charging one time, you don't need a charge for at least 36 hours. The fast charging is a common special features for flagships 64-watt quick battery charging features. Now we have to discuss the important part of the storage. Nowadays, when a customer want to buy a new smartphone, they are first check the memory capacity of the phone. The memory means RAM, ROM, internal storage, and an extra micro SD card. The Nokia upcoming phone Arson 2024 comes with a 12GB RAMs and two variants 256GB and 512GB ROMs. Customer can easily exacerbate internal storage by using a micro SD card up to 1TB. In the operating systems, this smartphone added Android 14. The powerful Snapdragon's 8 Gen 3 mobile platforms make this smartphone very fast. Now we are going to describe the very important part of these sensors. Nokia upcoming mobile use the latest sensors technology and their name is fingerprint under displays. Now we are going to very important parts of the Nokia Arson 2024 price. The Nokia upcoming smartphones price in starting from 320 USDT to 305 euros. Now we are going to describe the release date. After knowing the viral news of the Nokia flagship smartphone, every person who loves the Nokia mobile, they are searching from the exact release date of the Nokia 2024s. The exact release date of the Nokia Arson 2024 is 24 September 2024, or it may be late or released for its features update or many big issues. I hope you have completely understand the Nokia upcoming smartphone space, price, features, design, concept rumor, reviews, pre-order, by online release date and news content. If you have any kind of question, so do tell us in the comment sections. I want to see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching.